you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I've got another haunted food pantry haul for you. And that, in fact, this is a food pantry run. Excuse me, my voice is gone for today, but I'm going to try to do my best. Come on and let me show you what I've got for a family of 3. We're going to start from the left to the right. We've got, what is this? Ramen noodles? All kinds of different ones. Hot and spicy. Dragon Express. Oh, that's cool. Then we've got some sodas. Sugar-free. And what's this? Ooh, Waterloo. Sparkling water. Black cherry. That seems good. Then we've got some fruit and cream variety packs of, what's this, oatmeal? Cool. Then we've got some silk soy milk. Some low sodium pasta sauce. Carrots. Some fancy spinach. You know what? We could make something with that. And then we've got some, what are these? Mini sandwich cheddar cheese crackers. I've never seen these before. These are pretty cool. We got, 3 of these, and let's think this one's different. This one's peanut butter, and these are cheese. Oh, that's cool. That's nice. Then we got some fresh tomatoes. Look at this. They are ripe and ready. We got some Campari tomatoes. Oh, we could make a sauce with those. And then we got some assorted, what are these, cherry tomatoes? And I think these are plum tomatoes here. Those are good. Those are very good. Then back here, we've got some more canned goods, some fruit cocktail in light syrup. Make some smoothies with that. Got some good tuna, not the soy tuna, but the good tuna. Make a nice tuna salad or a tuna turnover. You know, you could take biscuits, stuff them with tuna, serve them with some butter on top, baked. They are so good, trust me. This white chicken in a can makes great chicken salad. We got some chicken broth. Maybe we can make some chicken soup. Then we got some black beans, sliced potatoes. Oh, I could put those in my hot sauce soup. I got some oatmeal. Then we got some sour cream and onion potato chips. Oh, cool. That somebody has already been in shaving. Then we got some yellow cake mix. Some macaroni and cheese. As you know, I don't use the packet. I make my own cheese sauce. Then we've got some bok choy. Oh, that's cool. Then down here, we've got a little microwavable macaroni and cheese. Never seen that before. A lemon and a lime. Can make a nice little fruit punch. Ooh, some garbanzo beans. Then we've got some pinto beans. Now let's see, what do we have here? It's a ready-made meal. It's, I'm not sure what it is. Vegetable stew with meat. Huh. In a pre-pack. I've never seen that before. Then we've got some rice. Then we've got some grapes. Oh, yeah. Then back here, some saltine crackers. Some cookies. And then we've got some, what is this, applesauce? Portable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. A plethora of raisins. Some spaghetti to go with that pasta sauce. Then we've got bread, hot dog buns, English muffin bread, 3 loaves of white bread, and this is a, jalapeno and cheddar bread. I bet that's gonna be good. Then we've got some, I don't know what this is, hero bread it says. Seeded bread, I've never had that before. We've got some assorted rolls here. We've got some buns, and an assortment of buns. some more hot dog buns, and some roasted garlic loaf. Oh, yes. And last but not least, some penne pasta, which will be great with a sauce. This is a really good haul. This family is going to really appreciate this. Now, the dishes you can make with this are hauntingly delicious. I will show you some Halloween dishes very soon, and hopefully I'll have my voice back by tomorrow. Also, today, my special haunted Halloween food pantry video, the food pantry haul, is coming out. Yeah, I get tongue-tied. I can't help it. So Jay is over there. He's going to help me with the delivery. So, yeah, I got to go. Yes, you are helping. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Oh, wait a minute. Like, comment, subscribe. Write to me at Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef, at gmail.com. If you need food, let me know. But let me see pictures of your spooky kitchen. Send them to my email. Come on now. Or just your Halloween decorations overall. Or any spooky dishes that you make. Okay? All right. Big love. Bye-bye.